Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm here in Panjim City, and as you can see all the casinos are open. This is in November. Today's November, and as you can see all the casinos are open. And in this video I'm going to be giving you the prices of the casinos. So that is the Deltin Royal in the distance. This is Big Daddy. This is Casino Pride. That is Casino Pride 2. And there's another one which is the Deltin, another Deltin one in the distance. So these are all the casinos which are available in Goa. So I do not promote gambling, but it's a nice experience if you want to go have drinks or you want to have food in the casino. It's a new experience and you would like to see it, then definitely check it out. In the distance over there you can see the Atal Setu bridge, which this is on the weekend, so the bridge keeps on changing colors. It's a very beautiful sight, and as you can see Big Daddy has this cool lighting. So guys, on to the prices now. I'm going to put the prices in a photo form so you can see all the prices and the different packages available. So definitely you can come here and check it out. I will also show you the entrance of the casinos where you can book the tickets. So guys, the first one which we have here is the Deltin Royal. Then after Deltin Royal, see, as you can see the offices are open. I'm just taking it while driving, so I'm not driving, so I'm just in the car. So Deltin Royal is the first one available. Then after that you have Casino Pride over here, which is the Casino Pride's main office. So you can come here and you can, they have this is the entrance, that's where you go in. And then further on we are going to go to the next one, which is Big Daddy. So as you can see the crowds are here, so there are people outside. So let us see. So out of all these casinos, Big Daddy happens to have the most crowd. I don't know why, but if you can see here, so Big Daddy has the most crowd, and as you can see the people are packed here. So if we go a little ahead, so you can see there are lots of people at Big Daddy, even though it's much more expensive than most of the other ones, but Big Daddy happens to have the most crowd. So many people are already in and they will go in. So we'll go further on, which is next one is Deltin Jack. So you can see the crowds here, and that is a cruise boat. If you want to take a evening cruise, you can go on that evening cruise. So that's basically a party boat. And as you can see the bridge is very beautiful, the Atal Setu bridge in the evening. So that's the Atal Setu bridge, and this place over here is called Watermark. So this is a very nice place if you want to take your couple. For couples, if you want to have a dinner cruise, this is a dinner cruise for couples, which is very cool. So this is called Watermark. So definitely for couples and family, this is a really nice outing to go out for. And this is the Deltin Jack office. As you can see there's not many people here, but okay, there are quite a few people at the entrance. So but it is still early in the evening, but as you see the crowds are mostly at there. This is Casino Pride 2. So this is the entrance. So casino, that's Deltin Jack, and this is Casino Pride 2, guys. So anyway, now I'm going to show you the prices of the casinos, guys. And this is the last one over here is the Caravella, but Caravella is not lit up, but it is also open. Anyway guys, so on to the prices now. And look at the beautiful Atal Setu bridge in Panjim City here. So this is the new bridge. If you've not been to Goa for a while, this is a new bridge that we've got, and it lights up on the weekends and it's very beautiful.